Hello everyone and welcome to your 14th Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, creating montage animation. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create a default montage animation, and we will also learn how to put transitions between still images. So in order to create a montage animation, we first need to know what it really is. So a montage animation is the animation of several number of still images or photos being displayed in a sequential order. So the display of those photos in a sequence is known as the montage animation. In order to do that, we need a few images. So I have imported a few images over here to start with the montage animation. So let's select all the pics by left clicking and dragging. These are all the images. And when we want to create a default montage animation, what we have to do is, after we select all these files, left click and drag them to the icon over here and release. As soon as you release, the automate to sequence icon that was over there will put all those 8 images in order for the animation with default transitions. As you can see, ordering, selection order and sort order. Selection order is the order in which you selected those images in. Sort order is the order according to the alphabetical or numerical sorting. Whatever the sequence will be, in that order they will be arranged. Here the selection and the sort orders are the same, so we will just select the selection order. To tutorials, this is the sequence name, placement sequentially, method and clip overlap. All these things determine how the transition will be. So the clip overlap is how many frames will it take to transmit from one image to another. The overlay edit and the insert edit are two types of edits that we studied in the previous tutorials. The insert edit will insert the images one after the other. The overlay edit will overlap few portions of the images in this type of edit. So let's just click OK, and as we see right over here, all our images have been put in the video 1 track. Since we didn't have any audio in still images, the audio track has nothing. As you can see, we have its preview right over here, and if we play it, then you will get to know. As you just saw the transition one photo to another, we will just hit play, and as you can see, images got into a default montage animation and they are being transitioned from one pic to another. So this is a default transition that we have over here. We can edit those transitions as we need, and we will learn to do it in the later tutorials. Make sure to set your work area to cover all of the area that you are working in. So guys, that's it for this tutorial, and we will learn more in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching.